Bit of investigation. I do believe a nail or a screw or something went in and it came straight back out, so we were completely flat. I did raise it up a little bit. Welcome back to the channel. Gav here from RCL Motorcycle Transport. Today, just done a collection for a very special bike. This one is a BMW GS1250. Now this one is getting exported to another country, and this is a very, very special limited edition one, right? I have come across a lot of GS's, but I've never quite seen one like this. So not going to talk too much. If you are new to the channel and you do like what you see, please hit the subscribe button and the like button on the video, and I will catch you lot soon. So let's have a look at this beast. 2021 BMW GS limited edition. 40 years now. Apparently there are only a handful of these in the country. It's such a beautiful bike. I have said it several times, if I was to tour the world or tour Europe or anything like that, it would be on a bike like this. Such a beautiful bike, man. I've always been a massive fan of these GS's, and this one in the limited edition spec, colors, whatever it is, I don't know too much about them, to be completely honest, but from what I can see, this one is such a beast. 2021 model, fresh out of the showroom. It's such a beauty, man. What really did catch my eye though is the setup on that back wheel. Look at that. So single-sided swing arm with the spokes, and I think that's such a very nice touch, man. So it's no chain, no belts, but we're rolling on that. Such a beautiful bike. So I believe I have got the key for it, but I'm not even going to bother to start it. It is pretty much like a car key, to be completely honest. Flip that, bow. So it's like that, you got the buttons there, but I'm not going to start it. It's not my place to start the bike, to be honest. But yeah, here she is, man. Here she is. So this one's just been delivered down to a logistics company to go out of the country for a new VIP client of mine's. Shout out to yourself, I know you're watching. So yes, let's get this done. And unfortunately, I do have a flat tire. Bit of investigation. I do believe a nail or a screw or something went in and it came straight back out, so we were completely flat. I did raise it up a little bit, but not completely. And yeah, I don't really feel like changing the wheel. So what I've got a puncture repair kit here going on. So I'm gonna plug the tire real quick and then we'll be back on the roads in no time. Let's get this done and let's hit the roads.